This is the Pura C1 Pro, a portable mini espresso machine. I've tested out quite a few different coffee machines on this channel. What makes this one different is that it is rechargeable, so you could use the battery inside to make espresso while camping or hiking. I will be thoroughly testing out this coffee machine to see whether or not it's worth buying. I'm excited that Pura sent this to me because I'm gonna be demoing both the espresso option and the Nespresso option, meaning we'll be using ground coffee beans as well as Nespresso pods. Setting up and using this portable espresso machine is pretty simple. First, you're going to unlock this top chamber, then you rotate the top to the other side just like so, remove the plastic cap, and then you can either use the espresso chamber and put your own ground coffee beans inside of here, or you could use the slightly larger Nespresso Pod coffee extractor. We'll start off by testing it out using ground espresso beans. The first step in preparing our espresso is going to be adding the ground beans into our capsule and tamping it down. Once we do that, we can go ahead and add some water into the water reservoir, filling it up to the desired line. Then you can either plug in this machine or run it off of battery. I'm gonna go ahead and try it plugged in for this round. To start the brew process, we'll go ahead and click on the power button. We then have a hot brew option, a cold brewing option, the battery charging indicator, as well as a temperature button where we can change the amount of temperature that the Pura will brew at. Now that I'm ready, I can click on this hot button here and it will start brewing the espresso. And it comes out of the spout in less than 5 seconds, which I thought was pretty impressive and fast. And in roughly 30 seconds, we have the max amount of espresso that you can brew with this machine. This is the final result. You can see that we have some crema there on the top, and honestly, this turned out pretty good, better than I expected it would. For the second test, I'll be taking a Nespresso pod and I will be using the Nespresso Pod coffee extractor. All you have to do is just unscrew the top from the bottom. You'll see this little chamber on the inside. You take the Nespresso pod, put it inside of the chamber, clamp it down into place, then screw back on the bottom. Now we're all ready to brew our Nespresso. Before we test out the Nespresso pod, I wanted to show that we have 3 different levels here for the water reservoir. 60 milliliters is going to be the smallest, and 180 millimeters is going to be the max amount that you can put inside of the reservoir. While plugged in is the only time that you could do a heated extraction. So if I was to unplug this cord here and run this test off of the battery, then my only option is going to be using the cold extraction method, which is exactly what we're going to be doing with the Nespresso pod. I'll go ahead and click on this cold option here, and it will immediately start brewing. The cold extraction mode is definitely a little bit slower, but nonetheless, it does work using the battery only. When it comes down to it, the Pura C1 does make a great espresso. I would say it performs better when it's plugged in because you do have that heated option. But if you are using this while camping or hiking, you do have a couple of options. You could heat up your water beforehand and then put it inside the reservoir to get a hot espresso or an Americano, or you could just go with the cold or the lukewarm brewing method if you don't mind having coffee that isn't hot. In my opinion, they did really good about keeping the form factor small, and I like the option of being able to travel with this and use it in hotel rooms or occasionally while hiking or camping. So if you're looking for a travel ready and rechargeable espresso machine, definitely check out this one by Pura. The C1 exceeded my expectations, and that's why I'm recommending it. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name's David and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos in the home and tech niches. If you're into that kind of stuff, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for my next review.